They were nameless faces when they came. Bitbit lamang ang pangarap na sumikat at hanga.
I am Aljur, watch out! I'm gonna be a star!
What happened after? No one predicted. Neither expected.
Watch out, I'm gonna be a star.
Ang mga mukhang nakikita ninyo ngayon ay bunga ng ilang taong pagsisikap. Perfecting the craft that they chose. Braving the road traveled by the others before them who had the same aspirations.
First time niyo po nasabi na proud po siya sa akin.
Hindi ito naging madali para sa karamihan.
Meron pong bad accident.
But the odds that they faced only made them better versions of themselves after. To you, they are stars. To us, they are survivors. These are the real stories behind the first ever Artista Search on primetime television.
Congratulations!
And as their lives continue to unfold, stories of the new ones yearn to be told. It begins again tonight, and it happens right now. This is Starstruck 5. Dream, believe, survive.
This is GMA's Studio 5, the home of Starstruck 5.
A new season, a new set of faces, a new set of rules. Pagkatapos ng 2 taon, the long wait is over. And now that it's back, we are as excited to give everything to you. In full color, in full view, in full force, in all its reality glory. Walang script, walang rehearsal. Everything is a test. At tulad ng dati, every single second counts. Dream bigger, believe harder, survive longer. Good evening, Philippines. I'm Ding Dong Dantes. Tonight, we officially welcome you to Starstruck 5. Dream, believe, survive. 5 seasons ago, these guys were called survivors. But now, they are definitely called stars. Kaya ngayon, tapos na ang ating pag-aantay. Dahil ito na ang pinakamalaking pagbabalik na sasagot sa ating pananabik. Yes, Starstruck is definitely back. And in full force. The original Artista Search is back. Bigger. Better. Grander. Mula sa Manila, bumalik ang ilang Starstruck alumni sa lugar kung saan nagsisimula ang kanilang Starstruck journey to stardom. Tulad ng Iloilo.
Dito ako ngayon sa SM City, Iloilo, kung saan ito, nakabalik na kami sa hometown ko. At dito rin uumpisahan ang bagong Starstruck 5.
Dagupan.
Natatandaan ko pa nung isa ako sa mga crowd na nandito.
Cebu.
Nasa likod ko, ang mga energetic ko talagang mga fellow Bisaya na talagang ready na to conquer the Starstruck 5.
At Davao.
Bago po mag-Starstruck, nanonood ako. Tapos, alam mo yon, sumingit lang ako. Talagang inaamin ko na po, siningitan ko po yung mga nakapila doon para lang makapasok ako sa linya ng Starstruck.
Pero kung saan man sila nagmula, ang maiinit na pagtanggap sa pagbabalik ng Starstruck sa bawat lugar na pinuntahan nila ay nagdulot sa kanila ng di malilimutang alaala nang sila ay isa pa lamang sa libo-libong umaasang maging Starstruck survivor.
Dati po, ganyan din po ako. Pumipila ako ang haba ng pinagdadaanan ko. At talagang gusto ko sumali ng Starstruck.
Di nataglan.
Hindi ako agad nakasalang sa stage kasi sa sobrang dami ng tao, Maghapon akong pumila hanggang sa magsarado na yung mall, hindi na ako nakuhanan. Nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon, kinabukasan na.
And all they had were their dreams.
Nung bata pa ako, pinapangarap ko na talaga na makapag-perform sa harap ng maraming tao.
The belief in their God-given talents.
Tumataas yung kilay nila kasi parang sabi ko, because I have the beauty, I have the brains, and I have the talent. Parang ganon. Parang ang kapal-kapal ng mukha ko talaga.
And the will to survive at all costs.
Talagang nasa utak ko nun, kailangan makasali ako dito kasi diba, kailangan ko ng pera nung time na yun. So, porsigido talaga ako sumali. And then, habang tumatagal, habang ang dami na mga nangyayari sa Starstruck, doon ko natuklasan na enjoy pala.
For a once-in-a-lifetime chance for fame, fortune, and stardom via Starstruck.
Nag-taxi kami nila mama, pauwi kami. Nag-celebrate yung dalawang kapatid ko sa likod, pati yung mama ko. Ang sabi nung kapatid ko, doon ako, hanggang ngayon natatawa pa rin ako. Yes! Magkakaroon na kami ng Christmas tree. Kasi wala kaming Christmas tree every Pasko, wala. Pag naaalala ko yun, masarap na kakainin namin. Yun yung narinig ko. Tapos ako nakangiti lang sa harap, sabi ko, talaga? Ganun na pala.
But Starstruck has gone beyond changing individual lives. It has managed to change industry.
We did this artista search and it became the biggest artista search in the Philippines, actually in Philippine history.
Kasi dati, kailangan sinong kakilala mo, sinong connection mo. Ngayon, nabago yun dahil sa Starstruck.
Sa akin, nung time na yun, is parang kasali ka sa pagsikat ng taong to. Kasali kami sa paghubog at pagsikat nitong talento.
It has recharged the industry.
Kasi nagkaroon tayo ng fresh blood, young blood, nagkaroon tuloy na excitement.
Starstruck has become a force in its own right.
I am very, very proud of Starstruck because lahat ng pinauso nilang dance craze ay sobrang sumikat.
Actually, hindi lang mga bagong artista nakilala, pati kaming mga council. So, sobrang proud kami, di ba? And proud ako sa ginagawa ko kasi may contribution ako sa mga bagong artista.
While remaining true to its original spirit and goal.
Mga sumasali sa Starstruck, galing sa exclusive schools, merong mga galing sa Buena Familia, at merong ding nanggagaling sa wala talaga, na yun yung maganda na pantay-pantay sila pagdating sa Starstruck.
If we go on infusing the industry with more responsible, sensible young stars, they will just develop into mature, brilliant actors. And pretty soon we will have a stable of brilliant, respectful and disciplined, courteous actors.
As long as there are youthful dreams to believe in, we will survive.
That's symbolized in Starstruck ng the fulfillment of hope and ambitions of young people. There's so many talents all over the country.
It's going to be more difficult. Dadaan talaga sila sa butas ng karayom. At the end of the day, we will be able to discover kung sino yung pinakamagaling, kung sino yung pinakamaganda, at kung sino yung pinakamagsusurvive. Sana you will be one with us in discovering these new faces, these new talents. Tulungan nyo kaming piliin sila. Tulungan nyo kaming piliin yung tama at yung magiging talagang successful.
Well, hindi lang ako proud sa Starstruck. Proud kaming lahat sa Starstruck. Ang sukatan ng kabuluhan ng isang artista search ay ang kakayahan niyang magdiskubre ng mga gumaganap na nagiging stars. On that basis, it is not only an artista search, it is the artista search, and we are all very proud of the program.
Medyo matagal-tagal ding hinintay ng tao ang Starstruck 5. But I'm sure masusulit ang paghihintay nila. We've made it bigger, reaching out further, not only in regions outside Mega Manila, but also in Filipino communities around the world, to give more Filipino youth the chance to be part of Starstruck. And we've made changes to make the show more interactive with the viewers. Mas kasali na tayong lahat dito. And because this is Starstruck, they can only expect the unexpected. Dahil sabi nga, dito everything is a test. Mas kaabang-abang. Kaya maski ako, nag-aabang na sa Starstruck 5.
As we open